Using battery power for small LCD displays is a smart idea. However, taking batteries with screens designed and configured only for use with AC mains power can bring unsatisfying results, with limited battery life and sluggish performance. To achieve startlingly effective performance from your battery-powered promotions, we have developed Low Power Play battery-driven solution. Here are some frequently asked questions.
How long does the user activation require from user action to video playing?
Within 2 seconds, to be precisely 1.3 seconds, this is one unique feature than no others. The time taken to change from low-power sleep to content playback is critical for battery-powered solutions, as a customer approaching or touching the display will bring it to life. Low Power Play enables displays to boot up instantly, within less than 2 seconds, every time they are activated, delivering your message immediately and effectively. Many displays on the market take several seconds to power on, leaving customers seeing the power-up screen and most likely moving on to a more compelling promotion.
What are the available screen sizes for the battery-driven display solution?
3.5 inches, 4.3 inches, 5 inches, 6.2 inches, 7 inches, 10.1 inches, 15.6 inches, 18.5 inches, 24 inches.
What kind of video triggers or power managers do you use?
Battery-driven retail video player is designed to address the installation scenario in which AC power supply is not available or not convenient. End user would require a maintenance-free solution, so a video trigger must in place to manage when to play as well as when to keep standby. There are 2 major video triggers: motion sensor, PAR, push button, LED illuminated, other triggers also available.
How long will your solution work in the field before replacing battery pack?
It would depend on the battery pack as well as the screen size and video clip length. Normally, for the standard 4.3-inch screen with motion sensor, a battery pack of 8 PCS/D batteries would support 87-75 times of 20 seconds video playback. Assuming one time every 5 minutes, it means 90 days.
Does this battery-driven video player support AC mode as well?
Yes, it does. It has a built-in switch to change between AC adapter mode and battery mode.
What's the file structure of the unit? Does your solution support USB autocopy update?
For battery mode, it has only one single file to be preloaded to respond with the motion sensor triggering. It is 05.AVI, exvid encoder, limited to 720 by 576 pixels. For AC mode, it has a default loop video, mu.avi, and a user-activated video, 05.avi, if there is a motion sensor, and our solution supports USB autocopy content update.
Does this battery-driven solution support AC power and battery power at the same time? Only taking battery pack as UPS uninterruptible power supply?
That would require a small circuit to manage the power route between AC adapter power and battery power, and we have this solution.
Can we use one single power inlet for both AC adapter and battery pack for easier maintenance if a store worker needs to change the power source?
Yes, then we use battery-only driven mode.
How can we do if we don't want to change the battery pack for the product lifecycle and we connect all the battery packs in place?
Good idea. Suppose one 8 PCS/D battery pack can support only 3 months user-activated playback, then we can connect 4 packs, 4 times 8 equals 32 PCS/D batteries, in parallel connection.
What's the discharging voltage range of the unit actually?
In order to make full use of the battery capacity, we make the unit workable with a wide voltage range, from 7.5 volts to 18 volts.
Does your solution also wake up when people leave out of the active area?
No, a delay interval could be set in the firmware, which is specified to keep the standby sleep for the preset interval after each activation. Then for human motion of people leaving out the active area, activation will be disabled. Then your customers get the message you want to deliver while Low Power Play controls content playback and battery usage.
How are the batteries housed? And how can I know the battery remaining capacity and decide when to replace the battery pack?
Generally, the batteries are housed into a battery holder, but in most cases, the seasoned customers would just use blister-wrapped packing with power cable leads for directly installation and easy transportation. And there are two ways to get battery capacity info. One is to check on-screen message with special number to refer the battery capacities, the other is to press a battery level button and check the LED indicator on our proprietary battery holder.